Hey everyone, I know many of you don't know me, but my friend Crypto Crow asked me to tell you about his crypto convention coming on November 8th through 9th in Cincinnati, Ohio, called ChainWise.
Bitcoin! You've got to yell it, or the people won't pay attention.
Come on to ChainWise at the Sharonville Convention Center. Was that good?
That was beautiful.
Come curious and leave an expert. Visit ChainWise.us for tickets and more info. Thanks, everyone.
Chances are you've heard about things like Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. But what exactly are they and what effect will it have on our future? That's a good question. And to answer these questions, I want to turn to Jason Appleton with ChainWise. Jason, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
All right, so tell us, what is cryptocurrency? Tell us about that.
Cryptocurrency is basically an exchange of value overall. It's a new asset class. The easiest way of explaining it is it's a way of transferring something of value from one person to another while eliminating the middlemen.
All right, so tell me how blockchain, is this called blockchain technology? Is that
Right.
what you just described?
Pretty much, it's exactly what it is.
Okay, all right. So why are people making so much money, it seems, in this space right now?
A lot of it is based on speculation. People are seeing this new technology that is, it seems like every year or two, there's a new generation. We had Bitcoin as the first generation. Then the second generation was Ethereum, which introduced smart contracts, which is basically a programmable functionality that says, if X happens, Y takes over, or, if I send money to this address, then this comes back, and you can get as complicated as you want with smart contracts. And now we're heading into the third generation of blockchain tech, which is a whole other ball game altogether. And people that are recognizing that what this technology is capable of and realizing that it's ultimately going to become the underlining layer to just about everything that we do, they're buying in. They're buying in at a low and expecting things to rise over the next 3 to 5 years.
Okay, so this is going to be the way we exchange. This is what we see in the future. Is that right? That we exchange goods and buy and purchase things. Is that right?
I wholeheartedly believe that cryptocurrencies are ultimately going to take over fiat.
Okay.
And for those that don't know, fiat is cash.
Right.
The cash of any territory, country, state, whatever.
Right.
Cryptocurrency is definitely going to take over. I don't necessarily think people are going to be using Bitcoin to buy Starbucks.
Right.
But they are going to be using cryptocurrencies in like a block card. That's like an all-encompassing wallet card where you're able to spend your cryptocurrency anywhere you want.
Okay, so this is important. You have a convention coming up for people to learn more about all of this.
Yeah, at the Sharonville Convention Center is ChainWise. Come curious, leave an expert. I have speakers from all over the place, some of the biggest minds in cryptocurrency, but you come and you're going to be educated. If you've just heard about Bitcoin and you want to learn, what does it mean? How can I make money with it? How can I get in? Because this isn't a get-rich-quick type of thing at all, but the more you educate yourself, the more you empower yourself to honestly, to profit and do very well, especially in this coming year.
Okay, that sounds really good. Thank you so much.
ChainWise.us is the website.
There we go. Jason, thank you so much for coming on.
Thank you.
We appreciate it.